Hi, it's Melanie here from Penney and Associates, and today I'm with Kent Lucky. And Kent, your question for the day is, what is something your clients wish they knew before their personal injury lawsuit?
Well, Melanie, really that kind of comes down to two things that I hear most common from my clients. The first one is, I didn't know this would take so long. And the other thing that I hear very frequently is, I can't believe the other party had such limited insurance coverage. So just to kind of examine those two issues, in California, and I'll just talk about this in the context of a car crash, although the same general principles apply in other cases, such as product liability cases. But in California, drivers are required under the insurance and the vehicle code to carry liability insurance that meets minimum requirements of $15,000 per person for an injury or death, or $30,000 for injury or death of more than one person. Those are the bare minimums. California has what's called a pure comparative fault negligence system. That means even if you're found to be 70% at fault for your car accident, the court could still award you 30% of any injury or damage award.
Wow.
The way car accident settlements work in California, a settlement's an agreement to drop a pending lawsuit or to refrain from filing a lawsuit. And the vast majority of those car accident cases do end in settlement rather than a jury verdict, because a settlement allows both parties to control the outcome. And in fact, in California, the rules of court require that the parties participate in one or more settlement conferences before your case proceeds to trial. Frequently I'm asked, what's an average car accident settlement in California? They typically don't exceed the at-fault driver's car insurance, although on occasion we do find it necessary to go beyond those policy limits. Settlements include things such as the past and future medical bills, car repairs, pain and suffering, and lost wages of time away from work.
Mm-hmm.
And then the other question that I'm frequently hear from clients is, how long is this going to take? Well, in California, you have 2 years to file a lawsuit for personal injuries. And that means if you suffered a whiplash due to a car slamming into your rear bumper, you have 2 years to file a claim.
Wow.
But then once a lawsuit's filed, it can frequently take anywhere from 8 to 18 months for your case to work its way through the court system to resolution. And that would include a settlement or a trial.
So a lot of patience is required if you're going to do a
Yes, and when we take on a case, we frequently see people who are victims, and we catch them at their low point, and we obviously want to be very upfront with them as to how long the process will take. Every case, of course, is different, but once a case gets filed, you're at the courts, work on the court schedule, and depending on the county that you're in, and every county's different. Again, it'll take anywhere from 6 to 8 months to maybe a year and a half.
Wow. That's really interesting. All right. Okay. Well, thank you, Kent.
You're welcome.
Have a great day.